And we are here with T1N the T1N Parts Barn, 2001 to 2006 specialists of these Dodge, Freightliner, Mercedes, whatever, Sprinters, 2001 to 2006 T1N. We have the metal Reimo German made window air vent. Now these things, they always look too big to get in there because they go over the edge a little bit, as you can see. But there's a trick to it. You just kind of slide it diagonally and you put the little, yeah, there. Thanks, Keith. That's Caveman Keith right there. You're gonna have to find a better nickname for him, even though he looks like a caveman. I don't know. Suggestion, take him. Put him in the reviews down below and give us some suggestion what this hairy guy should be called. Anyway, so he put it in here. Let's go backwards a little bit. I kind of missed a spot. And so you put it diagonal.
You're gonna want to pinch this just to get it in.
You got to pinch it a little bit to get it in that little slit right there, and you have it diagonal, and then you put the other side in. It's kind of simple. Put it up like that, and then you roll the window up. There's a little gully on the bottom there that the window goes in. You got to line it up.
It's best if you slide this down onto the window.
I see. Slide it down onto the window. Yep. You roll it up, and it's in. It's pretty secure. Made of aluminum. Made in Germany. Tough. Can't break in. You could leave it in, and you'd have to break the window to get in, but they're pretty good. You can find them at T1Nparts.com for all your T1N specialty parts. And hope to see you there. Thank you again.